Clil, How to Make Reading Fun. Michele Cucuzzella. Clil Teacher Trainer. How to Make Reading Fun. Strategies for Reading in a Clil Classroom. What's a Clil classroom? It's a classroom in which students need some language support, because they are learning one or more subjects in English, and English is not their native language. The strategies I suggest can be used for reading a text concerning any subject. For example, write the topic of the article on the board, Wolves in the USA. The link to the article is in the video description. Ask your students the following questions, without writing them down. Are there any wolves in the USA? If so, how many do you think there are? Why do you think wolves were hunted? Give the students time to answer on their exercise books. Just a short answer'll do. Bear in mind that it doesn't matter how your students answer. This activity's goal is to make students think about the topic. The students reformulate the original questions and write them down, leaving a blank line after each one. Check the students' questions. Give each student a word list with all difficult unknown words from the article, translated into the student's native language, or with an explanation in English. Give the students time to read through the list, then ask them to give it back to you. Students are divided into groups, and each group is given some words from the word list. Members of each group cut a sheet of cardboard into little pieces and write the words on them. In each group, all students take turns playing a game in which all labeled cards are put face down on the desk, and they have to turn all labeled cards one by one. If the student who is playing guesses the meaning of the word on the card he has just turned, he can keep the card turned, otherwise, the card has to be turned over again, so that the word is hidden again. The first student in the group who is able to turn all cards is the winner. The students who are not on monitor the correctness of the game. In this way, each group becomes expert of the vocabulary of one part of the article. Give the article to the students so that they can read it. While reading, the students can ask questions aloud about the meaning of the words they don't know. Students from the expert groups will answer. The students are asked by the teacher to spot the answer to the previous questions in the text.
The students write down the correct answers on their exercise books. The teacher checks their answers.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.